Indeed, quite a big call there for stakeholders to get together to conserve and manage water resources. And of course, a perspective from the governors there that upstream stakeholders often do get shortchanged that after having conserved the water, all the money made from selling that water does go to other stakeholders, something to think about. Now, moving on, the Kenya National Logistical Infrastructure plays a crucial role in facilitating trade, transportation, and economic development. With this in mind, the Africa Logistics AGL is now venturing into different Kenyan industries, creating employment and improving intra-Africa trade.
But congratulations. The journey has been long, it's been hard, but you've been successful.
The trade between Kenya and the rest of Africa, between Africa and the rest of the world, we are creating jobs. We make investment possible. We make possible for farmers of Uganda to export their coffee, to export cocoa from Congo through your country. We make able to export fish from Kenya to the rest of Africa. So this is our two ways to create employment.
We've been in Kenya for 55 years, so we didn't choose Kenya yesterday. We've grown as the nation has grown. We've developed our logistics platform. The company started its operations in 1968, so that's 56 years of continuous presence. So we've developed our logistics bases in Mombasa and Nairobi. We have offices in all the border stations. We have a big presence in Kisumu, and as we develop and invest, it is a question of the ports are the gateway, the railway and the roads are the arteries, and we unlock the logistics unlocks trade facilitation not only within Kenya but also around the region.
Indeed, the ports are the gateways, while the roads and railways are the arteries. Now, in a move to catapult Kenya's innovation.